So stand-up Jigsaw has, as I make this video right now, broken up more than 1,20,000 relationships and 300 plus marriages across the world. So if you want to convince yourself to break up with your partner, all you need to do is watch this stand-up special. I think we all will agree with the fact that comedy is the most loved genre. And let's be honest, the world is not exactly a fun place right now. ऐसे में it's safe to say that now more than ever we could use some laughs. So let's take a look at some of the best stand-up specials available online so you don't have to find one on your own. Number 1. Humanity by Ricky Gervais. Let's start off this list with the most controversial yet hilarious discourse on humanity. Ricky Gervais' comedy is not for everyone. But then that's what I think about comedy in general. Comedy is often subjective, polarizing and even controversial. Itna controversial ki sometimes it might land you up in jail. But on a serious note, if you watch this piece of stand-up, you will wonder how is this comedian still a free man. माफी but हमारी country में controversial होने के standards थोड़ा नीचे हैं. If you have seen him hosting the Golden Globe, you will know. The thing about his stand-up is it takes a slightly twisted human being to understand his comedy. So if you are someone who is a fan of dark humor, then this 1.5 hour stand-up will fit right up in your favorites list. Number 2. Nanette by Hannah Gadsby. When I first watched this stand-up, it honestly changed my perspective towards what stand-up comedy is and what it could be. कई लोगों ने mention किया था that this is not just a comedy set, but a very well done theatrical performance. And I can't agree more with it. It's an excruciatingly painful watch because Hannah Gadsby takes constant punches at the expense of her queerness and then throws another punch when you laugh at those jokes. So if you want to judge yourself for 1 hour straight, then this is the stand-up to start with. Number 3. Daniel Sloss live shows. This man is not a stand-up comic, he is a preacher and his stand-up set Jigsaw is a gospel that you wouldn't want to believe. In the first one named Dark, he weaves a narrative around vegans, religion and the tragic death of his sister when he was young. And that's the thing with his style of comedy. He does all this in such self-assuredness by pointing out how it's not okay to be uncomfortable while laughing at his tragedy, which in my opinion makes complete sense. मतलब आप imagine करो that one friend in your group who always cracks dark jokes and makes everyone uncomfortably laugh. But have you ever imagined why does it make you uncomfortable? Daniel Sloss has the answer. In the second one titled Jigsaw, his take is on the definition of life fulfillment, what relationships mean in our lives and why we hang on to them. Also his stand-up Jigsaw has, as I make this video right now, broken up more than 1,20,000 relationships and 300 plus marriages across the world. So if you want to convince yourself to break up with your partner, all you need to do is watch this stand-up special. Number 4. Live in Concert by Richard Pryor. It is honestly one of the greatest single works of the greatest stand-up comedian in history. It was also one of the first feature-length films to entirely focus on a stand-up comedy routine. In this hour-long live concert, Richard Pryor talks about his impoverished upbringing in a brothel, his addictions and heart attack, and the unending racial turmoil in America. Technically, all this should not be funny, but the way he turns his tragedies and his pain into unforgettable comedy is something that makes this special the greatest of all times. Number 5. Right Now by Aziz Ansari. If you have already watched Master of None on Netflix, then I'm sure you must already be a fan of Aziz Ansari. If you are not, then this is a good start to know the man. This stand-up is a masterclass in topical comedic commentary. The special directed by Spike Jonze makes this very personal and atmospheric. It's like Aziz is getting up close with his audience. He shares some brilliant insights on the woke culture, the importance of family and his Me Too controversy. It goes on to show how artists should be extremely self-aware, and when an acclaimed star peels off the layers of fame and self-preservation, it makes it a cathartic watch. Number 6. Homecoming King by Hasan Minhaj. There are some stand-ups that transcend into a fine and powerful work of storytelling. अगर इस stand-up में एक भी जोक नहीं होता ना, तो भी ये उतना ही compelling और powerful होता. At its core, Homecoming King is extremely dark, but it's not because it aims to offend, but because it tells the hilariously poignant stories of immigrants, specifically of Indian Muslim immigrants in America. His stories have sadness mixed with optimism, which can be of great use in the world that we are living in today. Watch it because it's one of those stand-ups that has aged very well, and also because it has tremendous repeat value. I have many more stand-ups to add to the list, but I can't mention all of them in just one video. So that's the list for now. Here are some honorable mentions that don't need to be in a list, especially Jaspal Bhatti's The Flop Show. It's not exactly a stand-up special, but it's probably the best piece of comedy to come out of India. The writers of this show deserve a standing ovation for giving such a brilliant social commentary mixed with satire. You can catch all its episodes on YouTube for free. Let me know in the comments below your favorite comedy stand-ups. And for more such recommendations, subscribe to India Times.